Hello, you are a continuous thinker. You think 24 by 7. And a good part of your thinking includes when you are talking to yourself about yourself. But the question is not that. Question is, do you know what are you talking to yourself? Do you know what is the kind of impact it may be having on your life? And do you also know that you can start changing what are you talking to yourself? That's what I'm going to share with you in this video. What must you talk to yourself and how it can start making a huge difference to your life. Let us begin. The first phrase is, I love myself. You must say to yourself, I love myself. Sometimes people say, is it not being selfish to love oneself? My answer to this is, no, it is not being selfish. It's all about loving yourself. It's all about nurturing and caring for yourself. And the simple principle of life is, what you can't do for yourself, you can't do for others. And as you keep on saying this to yourself, I love myself, it starts showing in your actions. And what kind of actions will prove that you love yourself? The way you take care of yourself, your exercise, your meditation, your diet, your relaxing time, your sleeping time, your learning, all this demonstrates that you love yourself. So start with saying to yourself, I love myself. And it will become even more powerful when you stand in front of the mirror and say to yourself, I love myself. Try it out and it will work. The second phrase is, I am unique. This is to be said to distinguish yourself from the entire world. Many of us are very busy in comparing ourselves with others. But let me ask you, are you comparable? Can you compare yourself with others? No two people are alike in this world. And that is why you must say to yourself, I am unique. And when you start saying that, one of the important things that will happen is you will have a lot of self-acceptance. Many people are struggling just with this part of life that they are not able to accept themselves. Maybe how they look, maybe how they talk, and so on. That is why you need to start saying to yourself that you are unique. Say to yourself, I am unique, and see the kind of power it gives to you. Third important phrase that you must say to yourself is, I am capable. The moment you say to yourself, you are actually reminding yourself of all the talents, all the gifts, all the capabilities that you have been blessed with, and what you have learned over a period of time that will start showing up to you. You may have forgotten many of those things, but it's important to remind yourself that you are capable. You also start engaging and connecting with people who can help and support you, or perhaps you would like to work with. So this is the benefit that you are likely to get out of saying, I am capable. The next important phrase that you must say to yourself is, I am responsible. Many people are living their lives on the basis of excuses they are giving to themselves, on the basis of pointing fingers at others for their state of life. That is why you must say to yourself, I am responsible. The moment you say that, you start accepting the current situation of your life, and that's when you'll start noticing what is it that you can start doing to make changes if you require those changes. I am responsible is one of the very powerful statements to say, I am an active player in my life. I am not reacting to what life is giving to me, but I am being proactive in taking actions on my part, in taking steps which are required to reach towards the goal that I have in mind. So start saying to yourself, I am responsible. Next important phrase that you must say to yourself is, I am willing to change. Whenever it comes to change, many people have resistance, and it is very natural. To break that resistance, you need to start saying to yourself, I am willing to change. Many times people say, oh my God, I have been like this for the last 30, 40, 50 years. How do you expect me to change now? Even though they know that change will serve them for the better, even then that resistance is there. That resistance is broken by saying to yourself, I am willing to change. When you keep on saying to yourself, I am willing to change, first you prepare your mindset towards that change, and that's when you can start converting that into actions which are required to undergo the process of change and experience a better result, better outcome. Start saying to yourself, I am willing to change. The next important phrase that you must say to yourself is, so what? What now? This is a phrase which is very important to be used specifically when you make mistakes, when you have setbacks, when you encounter failures. When you encounter a failure, it's very natural for the energy to go down. And sometimes it takes a very, very long time to bounce back. Very natural, I'm saying. To speeden up that process of bouncing back, this phrase comes handy. So what? When you are saying so what, the meaning is, the interpretation is, or the message that you are trying to give to yourself is, it happens. This is a part of the journey. This is a part of the package. There are ups and downs. Now you are also asking, what now? That's when you are asking yourself, what can be the steps taken to bounce back faster, to speeden up the process that you are involved in. That's why you must say to yourself, so what? What now? And the last one, which has helped me a lot in my life, is I will until. You must have experienced that you start on something, start on your goal with a lot of excitement, a lot of enthusiasm, a lot of energy. But what happens just a couple of days or months down the line? That energy disappears, starts disappearing. Why does it happen that way? It happens that way because seeds take their own time to germinate. Tree takes its own time to become a tree. We as human beings sometimes are very impatient. We want instant results. Life does not work like that. That is why when you start on your journey towards your goal, you must know that there will be ups and downs in the journey. And whenever you are on the downside, that is when you must say, I will until. Because those setbacks, those challenges are there only to make you stronger, only to strengthen your resolve towards achieving something great in your life, to create something great in your life. That is why this phrase must become a part of your day-to-day conversation with yourself, I will until. And you will notice you keep on moving towards your goal at whatever pace, that's perfectly fine. And slowly and steadily, the pace will also gain momentum, because by then you will understand it very clearly. The journey needs to continue, and when you decide that, speed will automatically go up. Like this, there can be many other phrases that you keep on saying to yourself for your own advantage, but these 7 phrases will strengthen you a lot in terms of what continues to go on in your mind. Let me quickly repeat what is it that I've suggested. First one was, I love myself. Second one was, I am unique. Third one, I am capable. Fourth one is, I am responsible. Fifth one, I am willing to change. Sixth one was, so what? What now? And the last one is, I will until. Ask yourself, how will you start practicing this? You can do it by writing. You can do it just by saying to yourself. You can stand in front of the mirror and start repeating that, and everything will have its own impact. And only impact that you will experience is you are becoming stronger by the day. I wish you all the best. Achieve great results in your life. I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, stay healthy.